Hey folks, welcome back to another Saturday Night with Tom Petty on the Judge Timbers channel. Tonight we're going to be discussing King's Highway off the Into the Great Wide Open album by Tom Petty and the Heartbreakers, of course. It's a great track. There's only a couple of chords to this one, so it's going to be a quick lesson. I have the guitar in standard tuning. I'm not using a capo. I would just say at the outset, really the key to a lot of Tom Petty songs are kind of you ride that high G note on the high E string at the 3rd fret. That high G, almost all the chords, you're going to keep that G note ringing in just about everything. Whether it's him or Mike Campbell or both of them, I'm not sure, but you can really hear that on a lot of the chords. So let's get into the introduction. Pretty simple. It's a G. And that's a D with D sus4. It's just D, D sus4. So again, it's G. Now the verse, G, I'm going to do a D sus4. If you want to go to a D, you can. Back to G, D sus4. If you want to go to D, you can, or you can hold a D sus4, either way. Then we're going to go to a C, but you can hear I'm going to add the high Gs. I'm just going to call it a C. The next chord is a D, but I'm going to go, instead of playing a regular voice D chord, you kind of hear the music going up. So I'm going to slide the C shape from the 1st fret up to the 3rd fret. Play that, whatever we're going to call it. I'm going to call it a D. I'm also barring the bottom 2 strings so I can catch that high G because I want to keep that high G. And then back to the C over, well, C with the high G. And then the last time through, I'm just going to play a D sus4 to a D. So again, this is this, we're going to start this again. So it's a C with a high G. Then that D at the 3rd fret, the D variation. Then a C over G to a D sus4 over D. And then you got, oh, I'll await the day good fortune comes our way, and we ride down the King's Highway. Alright, so this part, I await the day. So you can hear that G ringing out, right? So it's a G, a D sus4, D sus4. So you got the G again, and then a C with that high G. So I await the day. Repeat, good fortune comes our way, and we'll ride. Now I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to go to an E minor, but I'm going to add that high G. E minor to a D sus4, to a C, back to D, back to G. Alright, I'll do that one more time. So again, I'm just going to call the chords. Just realize I'm always playing the high G. So it's a G, D, C, G, D, C, E minor, D, C, D, G, That's King's Highway by Tom Petty and the Heartbreakers. That should get you there, I think, for the rhythm guitar parts. Have fun with that. There's a lot of ways you can voice this, so whatever works for you, whatever you think sounds better, play it that way, of course. Thank you, folks, for watching. I really appreciate it. Hopefully, I'll see you next Saturday night when I'll be doing another Tom Petty song. Take care.